What if your next audiobook wasn't narrated by a person, but by AI? Audible is making that a reality, and it's shaking up the entire audiobook industry. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments what you think about AI narrators. Audible, Amazon's leading audiobook service, just announced a major expansion to its AI-narrated audiobook catalog. The company is now partnering with select publishers to convert their print and ebooks into audiobooks using artificial intelligence. The move is designed to help Audible stay ahead in the fiercely competitive audiobook space, where it's going head-to-head with players like Apple and Spotify. At the heart of this effort is Amazon's powerful AI technology. Publishers can now choose from more than 100 AI-generated voices in English, Spanish, French, and Italian. These voices come with a variety of accents and dialects, giving authors and publishers plenty of flexibility. And Audible isn't stopping there. The company plans to add even more voice options over time. But it's not just about narration. Later this year, Audible is also launching a beta version of AI translation services. This includes both text-to-text and speech-to-speech translations, initially supporting English to Spanish, French, Italian, and German. Publishers will also be able to tap into professional linguists to review the translated content for quality and accuracy. This isn't Audible's first move into AI. Back in 2023, Amazon introduced an invite-only virtual voice tool for self-published authors. That feature allowed authors to transform their ebooks into audiobooks using synthetic speech. No recording studio needed. Then last year, Audible invited professional narrators to help train AI systems with their own voices. The impact. A quick search for virtual voice on Audible turns up over 50,000 titles labeled narrated by virtual voice. Clearly, authors are embracing AI narration as a faster and more cost-effective way to reach listeners. Of course, not everyone's thrilled about it. Some in the publishing world worry that AI voices lack the emotional depth and nuance of human narrators. There's an ongoing debate about whether convenience is coming at the cost of quality. Meanwhile, Spotify isn't sitting still either. As the second-largest audiobook provider, it recently partnered with AI audio startup 11 Labs to boost its own AI-narrated catalog. The competition is heating up, and listeners are the ones who stand to benefit. So, would you listen to an AI-narrated audiobook? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see how Spotify is using AI to personalize your listening experience, check out the video in the corner now.